Welcome to my channel. This is Dr. Augustine and Moguda bamboo trek. Oh, bamboo.
Check your head. Nice. Oh, this is called new cave. Oh wow. Hello, auntie. The garden of caves. We are in the garden of caves. Itu nanti. Silakan doa. This is like partly man-made, partly original. So they have hidden the way, and they have put the wall. And there is drainage system down. And this is quite short here. Okay, end of the cave. Stone cave. Stone cave. Wow. Come.
Right, ours done.
जाना है फोटो खींचने
No, here is enough.
the wooden bridge.
Look at these bubbles. The heart which produces its own water, just like the heart of Jesus. Water and blood comes out from the heart. Welcome to Mount Smai Cave. My phone is now. Yeah. Meghalaya, Mount Smai Cave. Been lighted. Meghalayan edge, sir. Meghalayan edge that we live today. This is for one of these rocks. Yes, monsoon dropping, water dropping, drop by drop. Wow, see the formations. See these things. How many years of deposition? Small tight hole you have to go through. Can you? It's too small, too tight. It's only 1 feet. Ow! Shit! I hit my head. I bumped my head here. No. Okay, that is close. Oh. Yeah. Ah, nice. Come on, let's go. Check your head. Should not bump. Ayo. Kena. Kalau tegang tala. Tinggo. Hah? Acha. Acha. Jauh ni, nah. It's okay. Usually, na, summertime this is full of water. But now, okay. I don't remember the name of scientist. I brought here once. Look at. Exit. I'm going to exit now. Must make it. Okay, finally out of the gate. Yeah. Look at this. It is made. Bamboo trek in the forest. And there is a river, small river down there. Stream. Tempo perkat syukur sini. Didn't expect, I just reached here without expectation. Medicinal water. Dawai ke pani ke dawai. Medicinal water. Natural water, yes. Oh wow, long, very long. Oh. Nice, nah?